everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket, but I'm not cooking in this video. I'm here to bring an announcement. It's that time again that I will start back with my candle making. There's going to be a few little changes though. I stopped making candles and wax melts and all of that in the summertime because here it's just too hot. Here in the south it is just way too hot. And in the room that I make them in, it doesn't have air, and working with hot wax and the cast iron heating elements and boiling water, it just gets so hot in here it makes me sick. So it's still real hot. We're still having 90-degree weather, but it's September the 18th, so I'm going to go ahead next week and get started with that. This week I'm starting my soaps. Last year I tried making some homemade cold processed soap. I never did sell them or anything. I just gave them to friends and family. But I'm starting that back up again this year, and I probably won't sell it on here. It'll be just to friends and family again. But I'll show you some of them. Here's one of my little bars of soap. And I did a couple of videos on them last year. This is one of my favorite bars. It's so pretty. And this is one of my soap cakes. Pieces that looks like a piece of cake that I made. But anyway, enough on that. Oh, I'll show you the one more. This is my mom's favorite fragrance, baby powder. So I have to make her some. So anyway, back on the candles. The change this year will be, I will not be making them in the wax melt cups like I usually do. It is really not worth the money and all and the cost for me to make these, because a lot of people just will order one, and I can't pour just one cup of a certain fragrance. Just a 1-ounce bottle of fragrance costs nearly $3, and it's not worth my while to melt and blend and all of that just to pour 1 cup. So I usually wind up doing like 5 cups for 1 ounce of fragrance, 5 or 6 cups. And then, as you can see, the rest of the cups usually just set around because people pick out their own fragrance. So I'm just going to be making the clamshells. And this is the clamshells. It's like kind of what you get in the store with the 6 little blocks of wax. So it will be in the clamshells only. And I will be making, of course, the 8-ounce and the 4-ounce candles. My email will be in the description box below to get in touch with me. And then, you know, we can talk about price and everything on that. But just like good food takes time to prepare, this takes time to prepare too. And it's best when you make a candle or even wax melts that you let them cure for a few days. So I will make the candles and the wax melts on demand. So it will take time for me to make it and prepare it. I always say give me at least 2 weeks, but usually it's ready within a week. And there will be some, like if your order's over $20, I will go ahead and ask that you pay in advance, because I have been stiffed a lot of times. So, and this costs a lot of money. It is not a cheap thing to do. So, not trying to be rude in any way, but then once you order a big order and then you don't buy it, then I'm stuck with it and I'm out of that money. So, and just like when you order stuff online anyway, most places that you order online, you pay for your order first. So, and it will also be shipping charges, shipping and handling charges too. I do try to mail flat rate. When possible, I do try to pick the cheapest way for shipping to be and everything. So, if you have any questions, just let me know. If I can get the fragrance, I'm lucky that I have a fragrance company, warehouse actually, a fragrance warehouse. It's not a store that you go shopping in. But I do know the lady who works there. Come to find out, I coached her when she was little in T-ball. I went walking in. I kept going in there to the warehouse. And I knew she looked familiar, but she's all grown now. And finally, one day, she said, "This is going to sound so weird, what I'm about to ask you, but do you go by Cricket?" And I said, "Yes, I do." She goes, "I thought so. You coached me in T-ball." So, actually, it's my cousin's team, and I did the score and everything, and getting their batting helmets on, and I used to keep her. Because my little cousins and I just started driving, so I would take them to their games and kind of take all the kids back home. Anyway, so I actually go there and that to pick it up. So if they have it in stock, then I can make it. And just a quick update on me. You haven't really seen a lot of cooking videos lately. That's because I have been sick. I've got some health issues going on, and nothing I want to go into detail about, but, you know, I'm slowly getting better and have more tests to do, and several people have asked about my foot and my neck. That's not any better. It's not going to get any better, and I know I need major surgery again on my foot, but that's really on me. The surgeon just said when the pain gets unbearable, then that's when we'll set it up to do it. So right now the pain is not unbearable, and with me it will have to get truly unbearable before I go through another foot surgery, because that is not fun. And so my neck's just slowly getting worse and everything, so but that's almost part of life that I'm used to. It's this other that's going on. But everything will be alright. And then we've also been dealing with something else that I cannot talk about at all right now. But it's only a few select friends know. But we can't talk about it at all. And it's nothing bad, but I'll just say, I even have to watch what I post about it on social media or anything. So anyway, that's we're almost about to the end of the road on that, so that's taken up a lot of time and everything, and a lot of that has stressed me out and affected like my nerves. It's terrible. It's something I wished nobody would ever have to go through, but it happens. I know a few people had ordered stuff right when summer was here, whatever, and I had to tell them, that I stopped, and I did do a video saying, that I was closing up shop. It was just too much, and what we was going through, I wouldn't be able to do it anyway. I wouldn't have the time. So now that things are settling down, it's time to get it back up and going. I've been working a lot out in my candle and soap making room, cleaning and throwing away things and getting things set back up and everything. And I really enjoyed the soap making last year that I did. I actually find it relaxing, and I can't wait to get that started back up. That's one of my favorite things to watch, is soap making videos. It's so relaxing to me. And I do have my favorite soapers that I watch. I just don't hardly comment on anything. So anyway, I'm going to hush. But yeah, it's candle and wax season is upon us. So if you do order, just let me know. And just know, that I like to keep it here once I get it made to cure. The wax melts at least for a couple of days, and the candles. And when you do order candles, I usually tell you it's best to let them cure, a little bit longer. So anyway, if you have any questions, please let me know. And you can email me. I get tons and tons and tons of email a day, and it is easy to look over emails. And because it just all gets so, you just sitting there looking at all those emails. But so just put in the subject line, candles, or a YouTuber, or just something, just so it catches my eye, and I'll read it. And because I have been problems with a lot of the emails getting lost, so if I don't answer you in a couple of days, just email me back again. So anyway, I'm going to hush rambling. Thanks for being patient with me and everything, and I can't wait to get back to cooking. I haven't cooked in a long time, and I got some great ideas, especially for the Blackstone griddle, which y'all are probably getting tired of seeing, but actually I love that thing, and it's so easy to cook on, so easy to clean up, and I'm done. So, talk to y'all later. And I just want to say y'all are all awesome. I love you all. I truly do. YouTube has sent me some of the most awesome friends that I believe I have ever known in my life. And the ones that follow me on my personal Facebook, that knows that I've been real sick, thank you. And to my other friends, I usually text a lot, and I haven't been texting a lot. At least you know why now. I was able to let you know. But until this journey that we're going through ends, I can't really text a lot or nothing on my phone right now. So thanks for being patient with me, and thanks for still loving me, and I love you all. Bye, y'all.